very special series of Meri 90s की playlist, the listener special.
Woohoo!
Divya, alongside being one of our, most, मैं कहूँगी critical, ardent listeners, ये तो है ही, लेकिन इसके साथ साथ दिव्या is also an actor. So दिव्या, thank you so much मुझे सुनने के लिए, हमारे शो का साथ देने के लिए, and finally आज मेरी 90s की प्लेलिस्ट लिसनर स्पेशल बनाने के लिए.
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure. It's actually अगर आपको याद है मैंने एक ट्वीट डाला था saying that because मैंने आज तक सिर्फ सेलिब्रिटीज को देखा है उनकी 90s की प्लेलिस्ट शेयर करते हुए. So I was like कुछ बनना है लाइफ में, कुछ बन के कुछ नाम वाम कमा के फिर रोहिणी को कॉल करूंगी कि अच्छा now I'm ready to share my 90s की प्लेलिस्ट. But I actually never thought कि आप you'll take it so seriously. So that's great. I think that's great.
I did take it seriously and नाम की नहीं नशा या दीवानगी की जरूरत होती है. Qualification. There might be people who might be super famous, but if they don't share the love for the 90s, they don't get on this show. It's
absolutely.
All right, Divya, so very excited to have you on the show. What's your first pick? Because I'm really excited to know कि तुम्हारा 90s कहाँ से शुरू होता है.
So, if you know me well, you should also know that I have some kind of obsession for twins, like जो identical twins रहते हैं. So मुझे उसकी obsession है. And the first movie ever I saw was जो जिसमें double role था was Kishan Kanhaiya.
Oh,
and Kishan, yeah. जो फीमेल प्रोटैगनिस्ट का डबल रोल का जो मैंने देखा था was obviously first चालबाज. Yeah, and the second one was Lamhe. And Lamhe was obviously way ahead of its times. और तब बहुत ही अच्छा लगता था to see the same actress playing a mother and then someone who's much younger. So उसमें से मेरा my first pick for मेरी 90s की playlist is कभी मैं कहूँ. For me, Kabhi Main Kahun is like one of the most quintessential love songs of the 90s. So Kabhi Main Kahun.
What a rare pick. In fact, तुम्हें पता है कि the beauty of this song is that it actually appeared in the film Chandni. Chandni.
Yes, absolutely.
Kabhi Main Kahun would play constantly in the background. And
yes, absolutely.
तो जब लम्हे आई और हमने ये गाना सुना, it was just like I already knew this song. I already knew the tune.
Yeah.
I thought that was so amazing. And ये कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं that only the true fans of the 80s and the 90s can figure out.
Yes, so absolutely.
I love your first track. It's also Sri Devi, and everybody knows my feelings for Sri Devi.
The next song is something that was a rage in the 90s. और एक नए artist आए थे तभी 90s में who used to teach dance, who had just started off his classes and that artist is the very great, the legendary Shamak Davar. और yes. So उनका एक बहुत ही I think it was an overnight hit back then. उनका एक गाना था मोहब्बत कर ले. And मोहब्बत कर ले was a rage क्योंकि वो रेडियो पे और लोग कैसेट खरीदते थे उनके एल्बम के and it used to be almost like everywhere. हर कोई उसे सुनता था.
गाना तो कमाल है, but also the phenomenon of Shamak Davar, right? Like उन्होंने सबसे बड़े डांस वाले जो 90s की फिल्में थी वो कोरियोग्राफ किए, चाहे वो ले गई के iconic steps हो, या फिर आगे चलकर he did Taal as well, which I thought was absolutely amazing. कहीं आग लग जाए. And I just feel that उसकी वजह से हम सब ने शामक दावर के क्लासेस ज्वाइन किए. In fact, you grew up, in Mahim. I grew up in King Circle, and हम दोनों के थोड़े मतलब दूर is वडाला. और वडाला में से स्कूल में शामक दावर का SDIPA समर फंक बैच होता था. और मैं हर साल I used to go and dance. Were you ever a part of the Shamak Davar dance class?
Oh yeah, actually, I think you'll be surprised to know that I worked in his office. Shamak Davar's Institute was my actual first job.
Wow!
So everyone thinks I was in his dance troupe, but I was like, no. Yeah, so I used to work with him, and I've met him several times. And as a student, मैंने वहाँ पे I think I've done 10 summer funks easily.
10 समर फंक करने वाली, ये तो मेरे से भी आगे हैं. She is the असली 90s. She in fact Deepika Vinayakar is the 90s, which is why she's on मेरी 90s की playlist. अगला गाना कौन सा होगा बताएं?
The movie is क्रांतिवीर. और क्रांतिवीर का आई थिंक बाय फार एक ही गाना है जो बहुत ही पॉपुलर था 90s में, एंड दैट इज लव रैप.
लव रैप.
Yes, that's the one. So love rap में एक्चुअली क्या था, इट वाज अ नाइस ऐसा लाइक अ डिस्कोथेक काइंड ऑफ अ सॉन्ग उस जमाने में, एंड बीच में देयर इज अ मराठी थस्का इन दैट सॉन्ग व्हिच आई लव. और वो जो एक रैप है बिंदू जी और नाना पाटेकर जी का, दैट इज लाइक माय मोस्ट फेवरेट थिंग.
मी पाहिल्या तुझ्या डोलांचा थ्रू कधी 100 1 कधी 100
कधी 100 त्या दिवशी झाला फीवर थ्रू कधी 100 1 कधी 100 2. You know my age, I'm 30+9. Oh, that means you are old wine.
You have a personal story about love rap. What is it?
My dad used to work in the merchant navy, so वो जब लीव पे आते थे घर पे, so he used to be like, oh, like let's catch up with some movies that I've missed out. And एक दिन ऐसे ही like just like that he said, chalo, I'll take you for a movie. And the movie was Krantiveer, and it was a matinee show, I think some 4 o'clock or something, or 6 o'clock का show था, evening show था. And people were most of the audience being men, they were just dancing to love rap. वो लोग whistle कर रहे थे, hoot कर रहे थे, and I'm like, okay, what is happening?
कौन सी थिएटर थी बताओ?
I think it was Plaza. So all these men were like whistling and hooting and stuff like that, and I was like, Dad, you know what? I have homework tomorrow, which I haven't done yet. So please let's leave. And he was like, what? Like, the movie is still going on. Like, how can we just leave like that? So I said, no, let's go. And I just उनके पीछे लग के हम लोग दोनों निकल गए. Years later, I gifted him a DVD of the film, and I said, you know what? I'm really sorry for what I did. और वो किस्सा अभी भी मुझे बहुत याद आता है कभी-कभी. And yeah, like अभी मुझे guilty feel होता है कि I didn't let him watch the film.
I know.
बाद में उन्होंने and बाद में मैंने उनको DVD दी, and then he watched it, and we had like a great laugh and a great time watching the film. So yeah, that's something special that I have attached to Krantiveer.
I can't wait to know what the last one is. बताइए.
So the last song for today is something, मतलब ये 90s में जब आया था तो it's a song about a season. ये एक hint है. जब भी ये गाना सुनते थे तो ऐसे लगता था okay, बाहर सच में बारिश हो रही है. No, I'm not talking about देखो बारिश हो रही है.
No,
I am talking about
बरसा पानी.
Exactly. I am actually talking about Shubha Mudgal, अब के सावन ऐसे बरसे. So I think that's an amazing track. एक तो वो even that was a rage जब वो आया था तभी. And शुभा मुद्गल like she's a legend, और उनकी जो आवाज थी उस time पे, like we had a lot of indie pop artists who were like great singers, but Shubha Mudgal coming from a classical background, उनका ये track तो I think it took indie pop to another level altogether. So आपके सावन के साथ भी मेरी एक छोटी सी मेमोरी जुड़ी हुई है. एक बार मैं और मेरे फ्रेंड्स टेरिस पे खेल रहे थे, तब अचानक बारिश शुरू हुई बहुत जोरों से, एंड वी वर लाइक ओ माय गॉड, भीग गए तो अभी मॉम डांटेगी एंड घर में नहीं आने देगी एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड देन वी वर लाइक चल ना, अभी क्या है, अभी एक दिन लाइक इट्स जस्ट द क्वेश्चन अबाउट वन ऐसा डाउनपोर, सो वी विल जस्ट लाइक गेट ड्रेंच्ड. और हम लोग भीग रहे थे और हम लोग पागलों की तरह आपके सावन जोर जोर से गा रहे थे. एंड उस टाइम पे मोबाइल फोन्स नहीं थे, सो कुछ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट भीगने का कोई डर नहीं था. सो दैट वाज आई थिंक वन ऑफ माय मोस्ट अमेजिंग मोमेंट.
I love आपके सावन and I love Shubha ji and I love you. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much.